HR questions are basically like, why do you want to join our company? Means what do you know about browser stack, and some questions like that into this essay. And coming to the means interview questions, so it was typically means from networking side, because browser stack basically works on networking. So one was question was like, if your server is in a private network and your client is in public network, so how will you access your server? Means how will you transfer data?
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce our today's honorable guest, Mr. Saurabh Gomez, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello, Sami.
He is one of many UECians who are great role models for us and all forthcoming future UECians. He has got a huge package of 90 lakh per annum in Browser Stack Tech Company. And here I am as a representative of all the students eager to ask him some questions regarding his journey so far. Hello everyone, I am Mohammed Shamim Ali and now let's begin our talk with our honorable guest. First of all, sir, I would like to ask you that how are you feeling right now? Like getting 19 lakh package, giving an interview on UEC journalism and becoming a role model for so many of us.
Yes. So first of all, keeping the package aside, uh, Browser Stack means it was my dream to work in a product-based company. And Browser Stack being a product-based company, it is also a unicorn. Means have you heard about unicorns in India? It's like Paytm and every other big companies are unicorn. So basically, that was my dream to work, and it is finally completed. So the feeling is great. I'm feeling great in that. And after that, giving an interview on UEC journalism. So basically, I always wanted to like guide my juniors. Like I have been through a process through which I have reached this at this point of my life. So I want to guide my juniors so that every problem which I have faced, they should not face it. So it is a great feeling that I am giving an interview here.
Yeah. My second question for you, sir, is that how your life changed after taking admission here at UEC? Like, was there any significant changes in before taking admission here in UEC and after?
Uh, yes. The major significant change was of environment. Means basically the mentality of getting a college and the mentality of getting a job. So after getting admission in UEC, I was means the surroundings made my mentality of getting a job, right? So like all of my classmates there means they are thinking that in the next 4 years we'll be landing a good job and we will work hard regarding that. So that was the major change in my surroundings.
So, sir, how did UEC help in becoming what you are today?
Yeah, sure. So UEC coming to the company, how I got how UEC helped me. So first of all, UEC provides the core subjects, means the core knowledge of like I am from computer science branch. So the core knowledge of computer science. Apart from that, that plays a part like 20 to 30% in the interview, cracking the interview. And apart from that, UEC gives you enough time, means there is less pressure on students, so we can get enough time to self learning. So instead of wasting that time which you get free, you have to invest it in self learning, and that helped me a lot.
Yes, sir. So please tell us about yourself, like what kind of student you were.
So I was an average student. Means currently also I am an average student only. So yes, I just somehow managed to get passing marks. So yes.
Okay, so by now our viewers must have got a very good idea about who you are. Let's now move on to the job part. Sir, how did you apply for this job?
Sure. Okay, so I contacted a recruiter on LinkedIn. So I just saw a post on LinkedIn that BrowserStack is hiring, and it is currently also hiring. So I just contacted a recruiter that I am a fresher and I wanted to do a job in I want to be a software engineer in BrowserStack. So she said, okay, send me a resume, and I sent it. And then after a month, I got a reply that there is an online process, means online assessment to be conducted in the Saturday or Sunday. So that's
Okay.
how I applied in it.
And sir, how should students should apply so that they have a edge over others?
Okay, okay. So for the second and third year students, majorly third year students, you can search internships on Internshala. Means a lot of students get internships from there. And if you are looking for a job, then I will prefer LinkedIn because LinkedIn helps a lot in getting jobs. And it's my personal experience. A lot of students get jobs using LinkedIn, and every job is updated on LinkedIn. So build connections on LinkedIn, keep your profile strong, update your resume on daily, means on monthly or in weekly basis. It will really help you in finding a job.
So before doing this job, you must have done some internships, sir. So please tell us about your internships and all.
Yes. Yes, so I have done an internship of 3 months. Like I joined initially for 3 months, but they liked my work, so they extended up to 9 months. And the company was Artha Energy Resources. It is a Mumbai-based startup. So yeah, there I worked for 9 months during my internship.
Okay. And sir, what about the interview process in this company, Browser Stack?
Okay, okay. So there were total 6 rounds. The first round was online assessment, which checks your competitive programming knowledge. The second and third one was machine coding. So we were basically given two development tasks, like kind of full stack development task, and we have to do it in 2 hours. We are monitored throughout 2 hours, and that was the machine coding round. After that, there was the engineering manager round, who was conducted by my manager, and he checked all the aspects of my resume. He covered all the aspects of my resume. After that, there was director of engineering round. The director of engineering was having 17 plus years of experience, so it was a really important round. And after that, the HR round was conducted. So basically, that was the process.
Okay.
And
So
yes, each round was an elimination round. Yeah, so you have to clear all to get to the next round.
mm, so if you can, please tell us some interview questions that you remember, like in HR round, some
Okay.
questions.
Okay. So HR questions are basically like, why do you want to join our company? Means what you do you know about browser stack, and some questions like that introduce yourself. And coming to the means interview questions. So it was typically means from networking side, because browser stack basically works for networking. So one was question was like, if your server is in a private network and your client is in public network, so how will you access your servers? Means how will you transfer data between them? Apart from that, if you know about Java language, so one question was like, if a Java program is running, and uh, there is a garbage collector in Java. So if a Java application if a Java program is another program, and a garbage collector is another program, then how can garbage collector access the heap memory area of that our Java program? So that was one question. So basically, question was from Java and networking.
Okay. Okay, sir. So here we have talked about the job and interview part. Now, sir, I'm very curious to ask you about the difficulties you have faced during studies and how did you balance between
Yes.
academics and placements?
Okay. So coming to academics, right? First of all, let's discuss about the academics and placement. So in UEC, according to me, the pressure is less as compared to other colleges. So you can prepare for academics, and as well as you can get enough time to prepare for placements as well. So that's how it got managed somehow. And along with that, coming to the difficulties I faced, so it is hard to be consistent. Like even at times I even felt like I have to give up, I can't do this anymore, like I can't study anymore. So you have to go through that, and you have to be consistent anyhow. If you just give up, I mean, you will not be able to do. You have to be consistent. You can't just think like, I will do every Saturday, Sunday. I will study every Saturday, Sunday, and I will crack a good code-based company. So it sounds like impossible, because it is you have to be consistent. You have to do at least 1 hour of self-study daily. So according to me, that's that's what I think.
Okay, so studying so much, sir. Sir, what was your source of motivation here, sir?
Okay, so my source of motivation basically, like first of all, my mentor and my parents. So both of means my parents motivated me a lot, and my mentor, Mr. Praful Kelkar sir. So he basically motivated me throughout the whole process. He runs a coaching institute like named Thinking Machines in Ujjain, and I joined his coaching in second year of my college. It was my best decision of my life. So he motivated me. Even I was before joining his coaching, my mentality was I will get a 3.5 LPA job and I will be happy in that. But after that, when I joined his coaching, my mentality changed. That yes, we can crack big product based companies too. And after that, I have a lot of friends. Means you can. It's my personal opinion. Like you can find someone who has the same goal as yours, so you both can learn together. What you have to means you will learn a lot from them, and they will learn a lot from you. So basically, that's what I followed. I got a friend who has same goal, and we just proceeded together.
Okay, sir. Sir, at last, sir, please give us all some advice. Sir, please.
Okay. So, if according to me, like if you want to reach your goal, whether it is placement or any big college or anything, so what you have to do is you have to be consistent. That is the main point. Believe in yourself. Like if I can do it, so anyone can do. Literally. मतलब मैं तो इतना पढ़ता भी नहीं था बट ठीक है सही है अगर मैं कर सकता हूँ तो सभी कर सकते हैं ये चीज पे डोंट बिलीव लाइक यू कांट डू दिस यू कांट रीच एनी बिग प्रोजेक्ट कंपनी you can do this if you study hard and yeah get good friends. Friends helps us a lot means all of my friend circle was really hardworking, so they really helped me in achieving this. So I that's one of the point, and enjoy your college life.
Sure,
Means
sir.
just don't push yourself into studying because we enjoyed a college life a lot. So um, that's what I want to say.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your advice. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Shamim.